Right. We just left off last week with our two grammar proportions. Let's just go over. Let's go over the first one, and then we can review them. Forgot which one was which, but okay. So last week we learned momo 밖에. So this is with the noun. There's no conjugation involved. But remember, this is just for negative purposes. And we always use the negative form, so like 없다, 안 먹었다. Okay. To clarify that this is in the negative tense. 지갑에 돈이 $10밖에 없어요. So that's this whole phrase is telling me that it only has $10 in the wallet. The reason why this is used in the negative sense is that it implies that we don't have enough money, but we do have $10. Okay? So we did the examples yesterday, but so I don't know if you memorized this or not, but it's good to refresh and just go over it. So the first one is asking 별 모양 쿠키가 몇 개 있어? How many Starship cookies are there? And B would say there's only one in a negative sense. So anyone want to start and volunteer and just answer this? Okay, Ryan, go ahead.
한 면밖에 없어.
Okay, so what did you say? 명? I didn't hear you.
한 면.
한 명? Okay, so to clarify, uh, 명 is referring to people. 개 is referring to specific objects, such as number one right there, okay? So don't use, so now I'll say the sentence again.
한 개밖에 없어요.
Yeah, good. Or you can say 하나, same thing. Number two, 친구들이 다 왔어요? And then B, who wants to answer B? Okay, how about Eden? Do number B. Do 2B. 아니요, what?
아니요. wait. 아니요. 하나면, wait.
Just keep going. We finish the sentence.
하나면 있어요? I forgot to put,
So do it again. And also 없다.
하나면 밖에 없다.
Okay, so when you say 명, like when you modify this and say one person, it's not 하나 명. That and grammatically that wouldn't make sense. So it's just 한 명. 한 명 밖에 안 왔어요. Okay? That makes sense? All right. Number three. Leon, you can read A, and Aaron, you can answer B.
엄마 우유 있어요?
And Aaron, you can answer B.
아니 물 밖에 있어요?
Okay. Trying to just sync that in your brain. 없어요. Okay? Because there's only that, like we only have this. Okay? Okay. So now we have momo tamada. As soon as. Well, that's like the literal translation for it. So we can have Ryan read A and Leon read B.
어제 몇 시간씩에 잤어요?
And then Leon, you can read B.
Wait, not B or A?
B.
침대에 눕자마자 잠이 들었어요.
Okay. So what do you think that means in English?
Once I went on my bed, I fell asleep.
Yes. Okay. So Aaron, do this one, the bottom of the sentence.
집에 오자마자 손을 씻어요.
Okay. Translate that in English for me. You can use the pictures for help, for reference. Well, remember, 자마자 means as soon as.
As soon as I
Okay, let me help you with this. 손을 씻다, what does that mean? 손을 씻다 is referring to this picture. So what does that mean? What do you think that means?
oh, I was muted. I didn't know.
Oh, you
Washing
say you didn't know? 손을 씻다 is referring to this picture. So what do you think that would mean? Using this picture, what do you think 손을 씻다 means?
washing hands.
Okay. 집, what is 집?
Home, like house.
Okay, house. 오자마자. 오다 means to come home or to well basically it's to come to your like to your direction. But in this case it would mean to come home. So 자마자 means as soon as, 집에 오다 means to arrive home, 손을 씻다 means to wash hands. So now put that in a sentence.
As soon as I get home, I wash my hands.
Yeah. Good. Okay. So continuing with that, let's try some examples. Actually, I mean, do you guys think you would watch a video? Watching a video is better. It's the same one from last time. But if you want, like, that's up to you guys. If you guys want to watch the video again, just for a refresh, it's really up to you.
I'm okay.
Okay. Anyone else have any other opinions? Just want to see where you guys at. Okay. That's cool. So in that regard, let's just keep going. So number one, oh well, how about Eden? Just read the example problem for me.
집에 오자마자 숙제를 해요.
Okay. From the last sentence we just read. Hold on. Remember this sentence, right? So this starts with the same thing. It's just the only difference is the ending. 숙제를 해요. So what does that mean in English, Eden?
She went home and did her homework.
Okay. She did go home, but like, what does this mean? 오자마자. This is the same thing that we just did.
Oh, when she came back home.
As soon as as soon as she came back home. Oh, what's up, Ryan? Do you have a question? Oh, you wanted to answer? Oh, my bad. Sorry, saw it too late. All right. Well, hey, Ryan, you can do the first one actually. So this is her waking up, and this is washing her face, I believe. In this picture, I believe she's washing her face. So I'll give you the verse for it. Waking up, 일어나다, and then washing hands, or no, washing face. Yeah, what's up? What's Leon? What is it, Leon?
Is the sentence 일어났대 오자마자
No. Don't use 오자마자. Use this as the verb. 일어나다 as the verb.
일어났. Wait, can I say 일어났대?
Yeah, but then yes, but then what do you remember? You're using 자마자, right? So when are
Yeah.
how about say your sentence? Say what you want to say. What do you want to say?
I already said it. I said 오자마자.
Okay, but what do you mean 오자마자? Because that means like when
Like
I
I
woke
said,
up.
일어날 때 오자마자 세수했어요.
Okay, the ending part is correct, but if you said, watch, this is what you said. 일어날 때 오자마자 세수를 I don't know if I probably butchered the spelling for 세수, but 세수를 했다. So it's asking you when I woke up, as soon as I came, I washed my face. So this part is where it gets very confusing because it's not that you're repeating anything, it's just grammatically, I don't see the significance of it. So the better form here is to say 일어나자마자 to make it simpler and to make it make sense. Because 오자마자 is like you have to have something before that because you just had a verb and then you had another verb put together. There was no other like oh I don't know Eden, but like there was no other subject, right? Until the ending. So you had a verb and then another verb. In my opinion, I don't think that would make sense anyway. So this, in my opinion, this is the easier form, simpler, shorter, more lenient. You see, exactly right. 일어나자마자 세수를 해요. Okay. 일어날 때 is like a condition. Like when I wake up, I do this, but that means you cannot use. It wouldn't make sense. Does that answer your question? Yes, no, maybe so. I'm asking you, Leon, specifically. Does that make sense? Hello? Are you there? You goody, Leon? You're definitely not frozen. So I mean I can see you moving, but all right. Well, anyways, let's just move on when he comes back. You can ask question. Yeah, it's all right. Anyways, for number two, let's who wants to you want to try Ryan? Do you want to try it? All right, go ahead.
Wait, what's brushing teeth in Korean?
이빨을 닦다.
Okay. 아침 먹자마자 wait. What is it again?
이빨을 닦다.
이빨을 닦다.
Good. So you said 아침. In this case, universally, it's just food. That's okay. I agree. Okay. Well, Leon, did you hear what I said earlier about your explanation? Did that make sense?
No, I didn't hear it. You froze up.
Okay. So let me go through it again. You said 일어날 때 오자마자 세수를 했다. So the problem is, Leon, is that you don't have any subject here. In this sentence right here, 집에 오자마자 숙제를 해요. That has a subject in front of it. This is saying when I wake up, as soon as I came, I wash my face. Where? As soon as I came, where? And so you had a verb, and another verb. Grammatically, it wouldn't make sense. So that's why this sentence is easier. You can say, I guess you can say this. 일어날 때 화장실에 오자마자 세수를 했다. But that gets very complicated. You might as well just say 일어나자마자. That makes sense? Got it. All right. Aaron, let's try number 3. So I'll give you the verse for this one. TV context. So okay, in English, how about you give me the verse in English? What do you think's happening here? What do you think's happening here?
As soon as I leave school, I play soccer.
Play soccer. Okay. So I would say, how about we just say as soon as I met my friend? Is that easier? Let's do that. Okay. So in this case, the verbs would be 친구를 만나다 slash 그다. Okay. So now these are the two verbs. Now you can try to make a sentence out of that.
Uh, uh,
So in this case, the first verb is going to be the one that's conjugated, as you can see right here. The second verb is just going to just do like something like heyo, hada, So worry about the first verb first. Remember, in this conjugation, same thing. That's it. And then you add tamaja, okay? So now you can just finish the sentence.
친구를 만나
So this is when you add the conjugating, the grammar portion. Oh, you're muted, by the way. Sorry.
친구를 만나 오자마자
Mm-hmm.
축구를 하다.
Well, you can say that or 축구를 해요. So I think you got most of it correct. So what you said though, Aaron, was okay. I think it's 만나자마자. I think you said 만나보자마자. I don't think that makes sense. Because that means that you're going to meet with someone. This is just saying that you're after you met someone. So 친구를. Okay, so let me write your sentence again. 친구를 만나 를 해요. Does that make sense? Any clarification needed? Aaron, you good?
I'm still pretty confused on everything.
Okay. Everything as in everything or specifically what?
Well, like I get like as soon as something you do something, but like everything else I'm just confused on.
It's the vocabulary, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why like I tried my best to like give you the verbs in advance because this is like what we're doing right now is mechanics, vocab. I think I talked to your mom about it, but we can also talk after. We'll get you covered over that. Okay. So we have about 6 minutes left. So just to do a quick review, hold on. Okay, let's pause that. We'll just do a video. We'll watch the same video again, just in case. Um, Or honestly, better yet, you might as well just do since we have time, we'll just go over the colors because in the future you're probably gonna you know say something in Korean that's gonna involve colors. Let's just do that. So do you guys want to go over the vocab for the colors first? Okay, let's do that. Hold on. Okay. Hey Simon. You're Simon. We're just gonna go over the colors right now in Korean. So, um, take a good 2 minutes to study, or maybe 1 minute, and then we can review real quick afterwards. So I'll just give you guys until 8:26, and then we'll just start. Okay, so we're just gonna go to Unit 7, and uh, just test out your color knowledge. Oh, okay. Well, you already did that. What is this color? Anyone want to answer? Pretty simple. Okay, cool, Leon. Go ahead.
노란색.
Oh, next one. This is an easy color. What is green? Ryan, what is green?
초록색.
초록색. Okay, Eden, what is black?
까만색.
Kind of. Well, because 검은색 is kind of darker shade color-ish, but 검은색, 검정색, same thing. All right, Simon, what is white?
White
Yeah, dude.
is handsack.
흰색.
Handsack.
Okay, what is purple? Aaron, what is purple? Oh, okay. Uh, okay, we'll try another. Leon, what is purple?
음, let me think. 보라색?
보라색. Right. Okay. Ryan, what is this color?
It's 주황색.
주황색. Okay, Eden, what is this color?
판색.
No, that's
핑색.
what?
핑색.
No, we normally say pink색. Yeah,
어.
normally I mean, close enough though. In modern culture, we just say pink색. Okay. Simon, what about this one? Last one.
노란색.
Yeah. Okay, so this is talking about sky blue, but let's just say it was
Oh.
blue. That's good. Okay. So I want to make the decision of coming back as like I want you guys to take a 2-minute break and we'll be back 8:31 so we can end class earlier. Okay? See you guys in 2 minutes.